What's up, everybody? It's Seth with the Detail Doc. So, what's the difference between paint protection film and a ceramic coating? So the paint protection film, or PPF, is going to be a sacrificial covering that we apply to your vehicle's paintwork, and this is going to help stop rock chips, scratches, scrapes, and scuffs from actually damaging and abrading your vehicle's paint. So typically these are 8 mil thick, and they come with a 10 to 12-year warranty. And they make these in glossy films, a satin film, or even colored paint protection films. But this is going to be like a screen protector, but for your vehicle's paint. And then you have a ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is going to be a long-term protection product, like a wax, but on steroids. It's going to last many years. Ceramic coating's main benefits is going to help keep your vehicle cleaner for longer. It's going to help washing and maintaining it. It's going to be a lot easier. Bugs, bird poop, and any debris will wash off a lot easier with a ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating can be applied to your wheels, your windows, all your glass and your body work. So it's really nice on making maintaining your vehicle a lot easier. So which one is better? Well, a mix of both is going to be best. So full body paint protection film is what I'd recommend for ultimate protection, topped off with a nice ceramic coating on everything else. Put the ceramic coating on your wheels, your windows, and all of the PPF, and you'll have ultimate protection. But if you can't do full body PPF, I would recommend doing PPF on a lot of the high impact areas, maybe our track package, and then a level 3 ceramic coating package seems to be really popular, so you get protection from the rock chips and the debris in the high impact areas, and then a really nice coating. So it'd be super easy to wash, super easy to maintain, and everything will just stay cleaner for so much longer. So the answer is mix of both is going to be best, paint protection film and ceramic coating. If you guys have any questions regarding these products here at the Detail Doc, we are more than happy to help answer any of your questions, and we hope to see you here at our shop. Thank you.